jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air.
Hey y'all, welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. And right now I am on my lunch break. And we are currently headed to the location where I do makeup. Because I am in need, well, I am needing to pack up my makeup. Bittersweet. So the lease is up where I do makeup at, and honestly I have not signed a lease anywhere else because I really don't know what I want to do. Like, I don't know if I just want to become a travel MUA or if I just want another suite. Like, I just don't know. I am going to go look at a suite today that's closer to my house, but then I'm like debating on whether or not if I want to get a suite way out there, because most of my clientele is on this side of town. So like, I really don't expect them to drive way out there for me to do their makeup. But I mean, but then again, people who support you, and they'll do that. But I don't know. This is why I'm so indecisive. I don't know what I'm doing. So I have closed my books. I have not made an announcement yet to anyone in regards to me switching locations and all that kind of stuff. So I just don't know what to do. Like, being a travel MUA has its pros and cons. Going back into a suite has its pros and cons. Being a travel MUA, I don't like the fact that I gotta use my gas. Like, well, duh, you gotta use your gas. But I don't want to put all those miles and stuff on my car. It just limits your ability to get more people done in the day. Because shoot, what if I got somebody at 1 o'clock on this side of town, but then at 3 o'clock I got somebody here, and then at 5 o'clock I got somebody back over here? Like, that's just too much. I don't want to be bothered with that. But then again, do I really want to lock myself into another suite? Because, baby, let me just tell you, I have been blessed to be in the suite that I'm in because, baby, my husband pays for that with his business. So I just pretty much told him, give me a room, baby, make room for me. And he did. And so I didn't have like booth rent or anything. But now that, you know, the lease is up and he's moving out of that office, he no longer needs an office for anything. It's like, okay, girl, it's time to quit being spoiled. It's your turn. Do you want to go get a suite? And it's like, I want to, but I'm scared. Because I only want to pay for my suite with the money that I make doing makeup. I don't want to tap into my, you know, my 9-to-5 money. And it's like some months I can pay rent, no problem, I'm sure. But then other months it's like, girl, I only did 2 faces this whole month. So in cases like that, would I be able to pay rent? I would have to tap into my money, my personal, you know, 9-to-5 money to do it. But I guess those are the chances that you take whenever whenever you have a business or whatever. So I don't know, y'all. I'm just rambling, indecisive. So I'm gonna go pack up some of this makeup because I'm not hungry. I kind of took a late breakfast, so I had to take my lunch early today. Ain't nothing else to do, so I'm just down the street. Might as well. Let go. So over here inside my vanity, this is the makeup that I kind of want to pack up. But what I'm going to pack it up in, I don't know. So I think I'm going to use my traveling. I think I'm going to pack it up in this. Bittersweet. Made a lot of money here.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
I done packed up as much as I could pack up on my lunch break, and I have one more client this weekend. Well, I only have one client this weekend because I close my books, and once I do that one little person, we is up out of here. I'm a little sad about it, but you know, life goes on, and I'm excited to see what's next.
Don't know what to do. Put it right there, made it easy for you to get to. Now you wanna act like you don't know what to do. After I done everything that you asked me, grabbed you, run you, liked you, tried you, moved so fast that you can't find you.
So this the thing on the wall I was talking about, it can come down, but you can add to it. Make it here's the liquid shampoo bowl that would need to come out. I'll just do a work order, and all the stuff would come out as well. So it's just Okay. And also I forgot to tell you, the lights come on automatically. Okay. I'll show you in the next week, and then so you don't have to worry about turning off your light.
Cool beans, come on. What did Elf do?
She put all of this on our counter.
Oh my gosh. She just does the most, don't she?
Uh-huh.
Okay, y'all, so let's talk about it. So hopefully in the previous clip y'all saw like some footage of me viewing a potential suite that I could move into. I'm not really sure about this because this suite, hold on y'all, because Shaw's about to mommy me to death, so let me be a parent real quick and tend to her, and then I'll be back. All right, y'all, I am late picking up this camera because child, me and my baby done started cooking. She's currently working on the Jiffy cornbread. I'm making homemade smothered, people be calling it Salisbury steak, but child, honestly, it's just smothered hamburger meat with homemade gravy with onions. So that's what I got going right here. It's almost ready. And then I got my broccoli going. And then I got that pot of water because I'm gonna drop these, drop this rice. Baby, I'm not making no homemade rice. Wait, it's not homemade rice. I'm not making that rice that you pour, but we get minute rice or 10-minute rice or whatever this is called. This is what we're getting, honey. Okay, Sean. I gotta put some more stuff in that cornbread before we put it in the oven, but thank you, girl. Okay, let me see. Let me check the consistency of this. Okay. Let me see that sugar. So y'all, do y'all keep? I keep my sugar in a Is it Tupperware? Thank you. Baby, what? Actually, that wasn't a bad amount. You could put a little bit more, but let me see. Let me see.
I got it.
Oh, well, let me just, that much. Let me put that in here. Thank you, ma'am. Important. Oh, my battery finna go dead, y'all. Go ahead.
I got it.
Look, you making a mess. So I gotta help you. You need to let somebody help you sometime, okay? Okay? Alright, y'all. I swear my camera do not be thinking about going dead until I'm ready to talk and have a conversation with y'all. So I just changed my battery, so that's a good thing. So I wanted to come back and talk to y'all about the suite that we just recently went to go look at. So I don't know if I said this earlier, but let me just tell y'all what my issue is. So the suite, I think one of them, I think the cheapest one was $230 a week. And honestly, that's not bad. It's really not. The problem is that my clientele is not on this side of town. My clientele is on a totally different side of town. So if I was to get the suite over here where I went to look at, I would literally be starting from zero, meaning building my clientele up. And if I'm honest with y'all, there's really not many, like, what do I want to say? How do I want to say this question? There's not a lot of African American women that walk into those type of suites to get their makeup done. At least I'm not privy to them doing that. It may be some, but it's majority Caucasian women, and that's fine because I want to be more versatile when it comes to makeup. But I just don't know. I just don't know if that's just a smart move. I don't know. Let's just not eat. Let me think on it, sleep on it, think on it, and I'll figure that out.
Let's keep it a book.
Yeah, he got it real bad about buying shit that he don't fucking eat. Like, he be want to eat healthy, and then he be buying a house full of healthy shit, turkey shit,